Sure. Here's a detailed recipe for Khanom Buang, also known as Thai crepes, which are a popular Thai street food snack. These crispy crepes are typically filled with sweet or savory fillings and are a delightful treat. Ingredients. For the crepes: 1 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil. For the sweet filling: 1 cup coconut cream, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup shredded coconut, sweetened or unsweetened, based on preference, 1/4 cup golden egg yolk threads, Foi Thong. For the savory filling: 1/2 cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup dried shrimp ground, 2 to 3 tablespoons roasted peanuts, crushed, 2 to 3 tablespoons green onions, finely chopped, 1 to 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon white pepper. Instructions. Prepare the crepe batter. Mix dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine rice flour, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Add wet ingredients. Gradually add water, coconut milk, and vegetable oil to the dry ingredients, whisking continuously until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter. Let the batter rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Prepare the sweet filling. Make coconut cream mixture. In a small bowl, mix the coconut cream, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract until well combined. Prepare fillings. Arrange the shredded coconut and golden egg yolk threads in separate bowls, ready for filling the crepes. Prepare the savory filling. Toast the coconut. In a dry skillet, lightly toast the grated coconut over medium heat until golden brown. Remove from heat. Combine ingredients. In a bowl, mix the toasted coconut, ground dried shrimp, crushed peanuts, green onions, fish sauce, sugar, and white pepper until well combined. Cook the crepes. Heat a pan. Heat a non-stick skillet or a crepe pan over medium heat. Lightly grease the pan with a small amount of oil. Pour the batter. Pour a small ladleful of batter onto the pan, spreading it thinly and evenly into a round shape using the back of the ladle or a spatula. Cook the crepe. Cook the crepe for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to crisp and the surface begins to set. Add the fillings. Add sweet filling. For sweet crepes, spread a small amount of the coconut cream mixture onto the crepe. Then add a spoonful of shredded coconut and a few golden egg yolk threads. Add savory filling. For savory crepes, sprinkle a spoonful of the savory filling mixture onto the crepe. Fold and serve. Once the crepe is cooked and the fillings are added, fold the crepe in half or into a cone shape. Remove from the pan and serve immediately. Tips. Adjust the heat as necessary to ensure the crepes cook evenly without burning. Prepare all fillings and ingredients in advance to make the assembly process smoother. Enjoy your homemade Khanom Buang, a delightful and crispy Thai crepe filled with delicious sweet or savory fillings. Khanom Buang, also known as Thai crepes, is a traditional Thai dessert that dates back over a century and remains a popular street food in Thailand today. These delicate, crispy crepes are typically filled with a variety of sweet or savory fillings, making them a versatile and beloved snack. Key elements. Crepe base. Crispy shell. The crepe itself is thin and crispy, made from a batter typically composed of rice flour, all-purpose flour, coconut milk, and sugar. The batter is spread thinly on a hot griddle, forming a crispy base as it cooks. Sweet filling. Coconut cream. A common sweet filling involves a rich coconut cream mixed with sugar, which is spread onto the crepe. Foi Thong. Golden egg yolk threads. These are made from egg yolks that are boiled in sugar syrup, creating thin, delicate strands. They add a sweet, slightly chewy texture and are a hallmark of traditional Thai desserts. Shredded coconut. Sweetened shredded coconut adds another layer of sweetness and texture to the crepe. Savory filling. Dried shrimp. Ground dried shrimp adds a salty and umami flavor. Toasted coconut adds a nutty flavor, enhancing the overall taste. Peanuts and green onions. These add a crunchy texture and a fresh, savory note. Fish sauce and pepper. Used to season the savory filling, these ingredients balance the richness of the other components with a salty and slightly spicy kick. Preparation and cooking. The preparation of Khanom Buang involves spreading the batter thinly on a hot griddle or pan, followed by adding the chosen fillings while the crepe is still cooking. Once the edges of the crepe begin to curl and crisp up, the fillings are added, and the crepe is typically folded in half or rolled into a cone shape. Serving. Khanom Buang is usually served warm and is often sold by street vendors in Thailand. The contrast between the crispy shell and the soft, flavorful fillings makes each bite a delightful experience. It can be enjoyed as a snack, dessert, or even a light meal. Cultural significance. Khanom Buang is more than just a tasty treat. It is a reflection of Thai culinary heritage. The use of ingredients like Foi Thong, which has origins in Portuguese culinary influence during the Ayutthaya period, shows the blend of cultural influences in Thai cuisine. Street vendors who specialize in Khanom Buang often pass down their recipes through generations, preserving the traditional methods of making this dessert. Experience. Eating Khanom Buang is an experience of contrasting textures and flavors. The crepe's crispy exterior gives way to the soft, rich, and flavorful fillings inside. Whether sweet or savory, each bite is a perfect balance of different tastes and textures, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Overall, Khanom Buang is a delightful example of Thai street food that showcases the skill and creativity of Thai cooks in transforming simple ingredients into a beloved culinary tradition.